the first of our test beds is going to be the largest ever 5G trial into the future of food, and it's going to see Dorset become a world leader in agri-tech. There are 3 trial areas that we're going to be using across the rural county. In the north, we'll be working with the small robot company who I've just referred to develop their AI-driven robots. We aim to produce the world's first completely robot-grown field of wheat, and we'll be using high bandwidth 5G connectivity to allow the robots to make live in-field decisions and carry out tasks such as precision seed drilling and weeding. We'll also be trialling 5G connected sensors to monitor environmental conditions, so everything from soil moisture, air quality levels, the temperature in grain stores, etc., in order to increase productivity and reduce environmental impact of agriculture. At Kingston Moor College, our connected cow trials will use cameras, sensors and AI to gauge and predict cattle health. We'll also be using live images from drones to target fertiliser only where it's needed across fields, helping to reduce pollution into local watercourses. And at Portland, we'll be exploring how 5G connected underwater cameras with AI capabilities and a range of sensors can help a Dorset seaweed and shellfish company to improve efficiency in aquaculture practices. And some of you may know aquaculture is one of our HPOs, the areas where the government recognises we've got a potential for more economic growth than anywhere else in the country. Secondly, our Innovation Accelerator. That's at Dorset Innovation Park, which is going to allow communities to test and develop new connected products and services. So this initiative is closely aligned to the MOD's recently announced Defence Innovation Centre, or Battle Lab, which is going to be built in early 2021. So our 5G indoor facility will be provided by Vodafone, and we'll be providing an outdoor open test bed led by Kimcell, a local company which is based at the site near Wool, and that site is owned by Dorset Council. Our third test bed is a work stream on the Loweth Estate, which is going to be looking at how new mobile services can unlock social and commercial benefits. So this will involve Vodafone bringing enhanced mobile phone coverage to the area for the locals and 1 million visitors who come to that area every year. We're going to be exploring whether 5G can deliver AR and VR experiences and looking at whether 5G can provide quicker and cheaper home broadband in a rural context when compared to traditional and fibre deployments. And finally, we know connectivity along the coast can be poor. It's amongst the worst in the UK, and that hampers emergency response, which is not good. Our connected coast test bed is going to be focusing on improving public safety by increasing access to digital communication systems for the first responders, including the RNLI and the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency. So we're going to be trialling 5G connected digital signage to provide information about hazards such as tidal conditions, which will be fed from surf condition monitoring buoys that will be putting off the Jurassic Coast, and also the latest technologies in incident management. So we'll be using tethered drones, which don't need a licensed pilot, which is one of the barriers to using drones. You need somebody who's very highly qualified and licensed to deploy those drones. We'll be using tethered ones, which are able to stream live images to incident control rooms in an incident, such as somebody being lost at sea, or an incident such as where we've got too many people on the beach and we need to assess how that looks from the air. So this work stream will also include the UK's first use of 5G satellite backhaul, as I've suggested.